Okay, gonna do a walk around this 1948 Chevy 3100. Truck is a Ratrod shop truck style build. Does have rust in the corners and bottom of the doors. Floors are solid. Old cool wood bed floor in the back. Got a new wiring harness, so the brake lights, headlights, signals all hooked up, working. It's got a Mustang II Front End on it, so it's got power steering, it's got power brakes, 455 Pontiac transmission. Like I said, it is a Ratrod truck. All the glass is good. The passenger side window does have a crack in it. Nope, I just locked it. Unlock it. It's got a nice recovered bench seat, low car shifter, stereo. Under the hood here, that 455 Pontiac motor, run down the road good. Got a nice sounding exhaust on it.